Hello. The last video I'm going to do today is to show you how to insert a male catheter, insert a catheter into a male patient. I went ahead and set up my trays because I showed you how to do that on insertion of a catheter into a female. So you do the same steps. I've got my sterile gloves on. I already laid my drape down. You're still going to use this female drape to extend your sterile field. So the other thing before you set your tray up is to apply the male drape. You can touch it because you've got your sterile gloves on. So you're going to ring the penis into the hole. Just like that, okay? Now, if I need to rearrange or move, I can do that by touching here, but don't touch on the outer part. And when you do get it into place, make sure you drop it. Don't lay it down because you have more chance of contaminating your hands. So then I do the part about setting the tray up, and I am ready now to move to the bed. When you get to this part of insertion, you have to grab the penis with your left hand or with your non-dominant hand. Sorry, my left hand is my non-dominant, but you're going to grab with your non-dominant hand. Once you grab hold, you cannot let go of the penis because then you will contaminate when you go to move your hand. Okay, so you are going to grab your saturated cotton balls and you're going to start at the meatus and you're going to go around 3 times. 1, 2, 3, going further out. Make sure you are not bringing your cotton balls across your sterile field. Make sure you're coming around and then dropping into your bag. Do again. You're going to do this 3 times and come around. And then the last time, again, starting at the meatus, going around 3 times. Make sure you don't go across your sterile field. The last time you can drop your forceps in. Then you can grab this from the inside of your tray and move it and drop it. Don't set it down. You may contaminate your hand. The next thing is to pull your catheter out of the lubricant. And you're going to insert straight in. Do not touch your fingers to the end of the hole. Make sure that you go straight in. Don't touch your fingers to the penis at all. And you're going all the way up to the bifurcation. And that's because the male urethra is longer than the female. And you don't want to take a chance of inflating the balloon inside the urethra. Once you get it all the way up to the bifurcation, same thing, you grab your catheter. So now you can use this hand. You're going to inflate your balloon. Once you get it inflated, you pull till you get resistance. Grab hold of the catheter and twist your syringe off. Then you're going to remove your sterile gloves. I've got my clean gloves underneath because it's easier for me, but either way is fine. You can do it whatever way works best for you as far as your gloving. I've got clean gloves on. I'm going to hang my catheter on the edge, the bed frame, not the bed rail. I'm going to clean up my space. And now for a practice-wise, in real life, you would then tear this. Do not do that while you're practicing because you need to keep it intact for check off. So make sure that you don't do that. So I'm going to pretend that I have taken this off. I'm going to set my stat lock up the exact same way. Clean your site, decide where you're going to put it, and then like a Band-Aid, it comes straight off. You just pull from the sides. And it only fits in one way. Another good way to tell is that the arrow will face the patient. It'll point at the patient. And that's it. The last thing I want to tell you is I want to make sure you see that there's a port right here. This is the port that you will get a urinalysis or urine culture from. You would clean the port and then you'll use the kits that are available on the nursing units. When you get done, you'll document, just like we tell you in class. You'll document the size of the catheter. You'll document the amount of urine and what the urine looks like. You'll document how the patient tolerated the procedure. Once you get done, then you'll take the catheter out the exact same way that I showed you on the previous video. And that is it. That is all you have to do to insert a catheter into a male patient.